Okay, there's Belle. Oh, it's going to go under a chair. And Belle. You're a good girl. Somebody's biting my fanny. And there's Ben over by the treadmill. Oh, here he comes. Oh, that's who's biting my fanny. You're trouble. You're trouble. Yeah, little Bill look-alike. That's Bet. Oh, like I said, I guess I should stand up. Benny's got himself a lamb. What you got, Benny? Ben. What you got? Oh, what a good boy. Gonna take it home. Oh, there's Meg. Where you been? Where have you been? I think I forgot you before. Where was you?